Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 46 Logans Run in Greece, an updated colonial with a pool. So let's take a tour. This is updated modern living with a white and bright eat-in kitchen, with new lighting and deck access. Open to a spacious dining room with new floors, and a cathedral ceiling living room with transom windows and new carpeting, plus a powder room. The upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master, with an adjacent beautifully updated bathroom with dual vanities. Enjoy this fully fenced, resort-style backyard with an expansive patio, 2-tiered deck, and a pool. Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 46 Logans Run in Greece, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!